Hello everyone and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. In today's video, I want to share with you my Christmas tablescape for 2025.
Everyone is here to celebrate one day.
Welcome to my Ralph Lauren inspired elegant Christmas tablescape. This tablescape is all about celebrating the joy of Christmas through the timeless, iconic, and luxurious plaids, greenery, rich textures, elegance, and sophistication. Please come in, relax, and enjoy the tour. This is a close collaboration hosted by Glamour Ellen, myself, Denise Glam Style Living, Luxury Living within, Carol Rhymes, and internet decorating. Please come to our channels and show us some love and support. I will link our channels in the playlist in the description box below.
Come home to, yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is
My beautiful tablecloth was purchased from Burlington years ago.
last year.
My placemat and dinnerware came from Pottery Barn.
Just like that, if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when
My green napkins was purchased from Home Goods.
time of year
And I DIY my bold napkin rings for each plate setting.
is falling down and it is cold outside,
And my ribbon was purchased from Hobby Lobby.
and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday.
My gold flatware also came from Hobby Lobby. My red wine glasses was purchased from Pottery Barn. My gold candlesticks came from Home Goods. My adorable reindeer was purchased from Hobby Lobby. And my black vase came from Z Gallery. I did this gorgeous greenery and berry arrangement, and all my greenery was purchased from the Reef Shop. I think this table turned out absolutely stunning and just perfect for the Christmas holidays. Don't you agree? I hope you enjoyed my Ref Learned Inspired Elegant Christmas Tablescape, and it gave you lots of inspiration for the Christmas holidays. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you so very much for all your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K, and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you, ladies, for allowing me to be a part of this awesome collaboration. Have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.
Things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.